Mayong gabi, si Yuki. Kumusta ka? Hello, Facebook friends and hello, YouTube friends. I'm having a live stream with Facebook and YouTube. Okay. Yet to go to shower. I'm feeling fresh. First, hello. Oh, congratulations. Hello. Kumusta? Mayo. I will take English class later. So I'm having a live stream. I can say for a while. こんばんは。こんばんは。Thank you. Okay. Kumusta? I can say I'm doing live stream on YouTube and Facebook both right now. Mayong gabi. Mayong gabi. こんばんは。よろしく。よろしく。なんぼnaman ka. Sorry, I didn't understand. Musta man ka ko? Mayo. Okay. Mayong gabi, dihan ni mo Yuki. Mayo, thank you. It's very rainy season in Japan. Very rainy. Rain. It's raining for 2 weeks. It's very, very long. I cannot go out, but I went out today. I couldn't stand for staying at home. And Yuki-san, shout out. Nakama. Thank you. Kansai Ben ba Mon Cebuano equivalents Japanese dialects. Yes. Cebuano is like Kansai Ben. Very similar. Mayong gabi. Yeah. Cebuano people has complex feelings, complex emotions with Manila. It's very similar with Osaka and Tokyo in Japan. Very similar. Only Osaka has complex feelings with Tokyo. I don't want to lose with Tokyo like that. Hello. Kanojo hanashita wa Yuki-san ga futoi desu. Sorry, my Nihon. You're speaking Japanese. What do you mean? Yuki-san ga futoi desu. What do you mean? Am I fat? Am I chubby? Kanojo. That girl. That talking girl. こんばんは。Mayong gabi. Kamusta? How do you say God bless and take care in Japanese? Take care. 気をつけてね。 God bless and take care. But you can just say Jan. See you. Um, God bless. Thank you. Hey, whoa, a lot of comments. かわいい。かわいい。I'm a cute. cute 子。ゆきさん太ってきている。Really? I'm getting fat. 彼女が話した。ゆきさん太ってきている。彼女が話した。Maybe, who is 彼女? Your girlfriend? Your girlfriend says I'm getting fat? Really? Hello. Hello. よいしょ。I have to study English. よいしょ。This is unstable. This camera is unstable. I'm using 2 cameras for Facebook and YouTube. How you do? I'm having a live stream. すみません。ははは。彼女、違います。お嬢さんだ。お嬢さん lady? Some lady say I'm getting chubby really. Okay, thank you. Thank you for making me more motivated to lose my weight. ゆきさん、晩ご飯もう食べましたか? I forgot. What was 晩ご飯? 晩ご飯 in bisaya. Panihap? No, not panihapon. I forgot dinner in bisaya. Pamahao and panihapon and pan. I forgot dinner in bisaya. Actually, I had for dinner already. Bisaya ka. I'm Japanese. I'm pure Japanese. Pure Happonko. Hello. Dukai nakanak Bisaya senpai. I don't understand, but how long? Are you asking about how long studying? Natuongkog Bisaya for 6 months. Only 6 months. Gamay da. Takai. What's Takai? Takai? I know only Takai choose. Takai. Hello. Minkapi. I forgot dinner in Bisaya. How can I say it? 6 months. Yes, I'm studying Bisaya for 6 months. Nagtuongkog Bisaya for 6 months. Thank you. Panihapon. Okay. Dinner is a panihapon. I see. Nikong panihapon. Nikong panihapon. I ate longanisa. I ate longanisa. It was sweet sausage. Yuki, give me some boyfriend. Really? Yuki, give me some boyfriend. uh, do you like Japanese? Why do you like Japanese? Do you know how to sing bisaya? Sing, really? Bisaya song, really? I know only Bohlana by Sun Angels. Do you know it? Do you know the song? Bohlana by Sun Angels. Did you come my haiba? Did you come my haiba? Bohlana. Okay. I'm preparing for English class. Kai bu. I'm Japanese, yes, I'm Japanese. Nice ball. But shout out. Hey John, thank you. Thank you for watching. Salamat sa watching. Okay. By the way, some people say sayonara to me. Sayonara, goodbye. But that it doesn't mean goodbye. Be careful. It means goodbye forever. Really. You can say it for, I can say, ex-girlfriend or boyfriend. Sayonara means goodbye forever. Can you sing Shiawase from back number? Sorry, I don't know the song. What name is the singer for the songs Shiawase? Chewy. Tamatama. I'm studying Japanese a lot. Oh, that's weird. Tamatama. こんばんは、友達。Thank you. Thank you for Muistrya sub-Japanese. Matane, jane. Yeah. Do not say sayonara. You can say matane or jane. For friendly situation. Matane is see you again, see you soon. Bye bye. Bye bye is fine. You can say bye bye. Bye bye is the same with bisaya. Bye bye. Bye bye. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Thank you, Princess. Princess. Nice name. Princess Rio. Thank you. Konnichiwa. Konbanwa. Yeah. Konbanwa. You're great. Ayo. Konbanwa. Okay. I will review again. in Japanese, uh, Mutudroko Japanese karon. So greetings for good evening. Konbanwa, konbanwa. You can repeat after me. Konbanwa, konbanwa. Mayongabi, konbanwa. And okay, from morning. Kumusta nagasulo ga hapon ko? Sorry. I don't understand. And others. Good morning. Mayong buntag. Mayong buntag is Ohayo. Ohayo. Mayong buntag. Ohayo. And thank you, princess. Genki desu ka? Genki desu ka? Okay. Genki desu ka means kumusta ka? Kumusta? 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 Genki desu ka? Genki desu ka? Kumusta ka? And next. Konbanwa sensei Yuki. Konbanwa. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu for teaching us some right phrases and expressions in Nihongo. We can learn more from you. Thank you. I'm very flattered. Next. Hello or my own hapon or my own uddo is konnichiwa. 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 Your name is not so nice. That it means no. My name means courage, fighting spirits. Yeah. In street Japanese, my name is pronounced as Yuki. 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 Not snow. It's different. Next. I told you konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. My hapon. And next. I told you konbanwa. Mayongabi. Konbanwa. 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 Mayongabi. Konbanwa. なるほど。Jonathan, Kabarokamak Japanese very well. こんばんは、ゆき先輩、元気ですか？マヨ。Thank you. Yuki. Yes. In literary, Yuki, yes. But in English, my name is written as Yuki, Y-U-K-I. Yuki. Unsasa Japanese, how are you today? Okay. And you can say, how are you today? You can say, こんにちは. Or, 元気ですか? Like, くむした? 元気ですか? 元気ですか? In literal, 元気ですか? But it's small u. So, pronounce like, 元気ですか? ですか? 元気ですか? 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 Mayongabi. enjoy your English class. お元気ですか？うん。ほんまよ。元気です。いくまよ。うん。tisoy. Sorry. What's tisoy? Dugay pa ka mag-upload og video sa YouTube? No, wala pa. Wala video sa YouTube. But right now, I'm having a live stream with YouTube and Facebook at the same time. I'm having a live stream right now. Nag-live stream? Nag-live? Eh? Nag-live ko sa Facebook o YouTube. Tisoy, guwapo. Oh, thank you. Tisoy. I didn't know the word. Tisoy. Musta. Thank you. Lean. Welcome. Welcome to my live stream, Lean. Say hobby. Hobby. Just hobby. Hobby is 趣味。趣味 in Japanese. 趣味。私の my 趣味 is blah blah. Hobby is 趣味 in Japanese. Ayun gabi. From Cebu City. I love Cebu City. I miss Gimgaw kayo ko Cebu City. Hello po. Hello po. Senpai! Why do you call me senpai? That's fine, though. How do you know that? Haseo. Thank you, Haseo, to call me senpai. Malingao. Magkunimo senpai. Thank you. Nako sa Cebu? Yes. I forgot. I've been to Cebu. I love Cebu. And I miss Jollibee. I haven't eaten Jollibee for a long time. I miss Jollibee. Give me Jollibee. Puede Jollibee. Please. Nakaog Bohol. Nakaaddo ko Bohol. Twice, maybe. I've been to there. Hi, Kuya. Thank you. By the way, it's the time. Time is over. How can I say? I have to take an English class karon. So, thank you for teaching me Bisaya and thank you for enjoying studying Japanese. So, I will share you more Japanese. So, keep it up. So, keep it up to study and stay tuned for my next post. So see you again. Bye bye. See. I'll take a English class. Bye bye. Sige sige.